Here is my 2019 Ram 1500, the 5.7 liter. So about 2 weeks ago, I'm getting gas in my truck and the pump kicks off as soon as I put it in. So, okay, that's weird. Try it again and no, pump's kicking off again. Okay, figure this pump must just be no good. Leave, don't think a whole lot of it. Go to fill up at another gas station shortly after, and the exact same thing happens again. Well, hang on, what's going on here? So long story short, I did some Googling. It looks like this is a fairly common problem on any of the Dodge Ram. Mine's a 2019 Dodge Ram Classic, so that's basically any of them from any of the fourth gen from, what is it, like 2014 to present. Apparently, there's an issue with the rollover valve in the tank. So this valve is supposed to prevent the gas from running out of your tank if you roll over in the ditch. So it's not going to leak out and cause a fire. Problem is, it gets stuck shut, and then when you go to put gas in the tank, it's blocking the filler. And yeah, when I was at the tank, you could see the gas coming right up to the top. It would take about 10 minutes to put $5 worth of gas in. It was definitely not going to be usable. Dodge's fix for this is replace the tank. And apparently the tank is $3,000 US, which is utter BS. Why they have to complicate filling a tank? It's a tank, there should be a hole, you put the gas in, it should be simple. No, we gotta be complicated now. Anyways, I don't really like the thought of spending $3,000 on a brand new tank if I don't have to. I went underneath, rubber mallet, beat around the area that the rollover valve is. I'll try and put a picture right here. So it's right on top of the tank. So I beat all around that I could get with the rubber mallet. And then I fed some thin welding wire in through the filler hole. I put it in about maybe a foot and a half. Felt some resistance, give it another shove, and whatever it was, let go. And I'm on my third fill up now. No more issues. So I don't know if this is going to work for you. It worked for me. Thought I'd put it out there. Good luck. Hopefully you can do this. This should be a recall on these trucks as far as I'm concerned. That's a safety issue if you're putting gas in and it's filling up so fast that it's shooting out the top of the neck. That's a fire hazard. So Dodge, do the right thing. Make a recall. Until then, this is what we got. Give it a shot. Hopefully it saves you $3,000. Hopefully mine doesn't come back. Hopefully if it does, this will work again. But anyways, good luck.